Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and you're back on the Raymore Reviews channel. So we are outside of Mineralites. That's where we started the drive from, Mineralites. We just passed the Mineralites roundabout as well. And right now we are on Trenton Road. So we're driving from Mineralites to Mapen via Trenton Road. As usual, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, so just click that subscribe button, turn it gray, and join the Raymore Reviews family as well. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, and definitely share. And as usual, if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well in terms of how you can donate to the channel. We're going to take a quick detour to drive through this lane. This is Sunnyside, quite a few exquisite houses on this road. You also have the Versailles Hotel as well. Right, so we're just going to take a quick swing around the Versailles Hotel as well. And if any of you guys have ever visited the Versailles Hotel, you definitely... Right, so I know some of you guys may have visited the Versailles Hotel before, so leave a comment. Let us know in the comment section. This neighborhood is I think it's very nice, and you know, a few very nice houses as well. So Versailles Hotel is right so it's right on the left. They seem to be closed. I was gonna drive in to show you guys, but I guess because of COVID they're closed. And then this is Longbridge Avenue, so I'm just gonna turn around and go back on Trenton Road. So Versailles Hotel is on the right. Alright, so this is the Versailles Hotel. We're not gonna go in, but just showing you guys a glimpse. Alright, so we're back on Sunnyside Road. I think that's the name of the road. So again, just a short detour with you guys, just to show you guys this community right here. A nice neighborhood. Just showing you guys a glimpse of the area. And we see a few empty lots as well, so it means there's more potential for development, and you know, more houses can come in as well. Alright, so we're heading back onto Trenton Road now. right is the parish office for the National Works Agency. And then over the left is the Island Traffic Authority for Maypen, and also the examination depot. And then we'll approach Maypen from the bridge, the iconic Maypen Bridge. They did some rehabilitation work on it a few years ago. Some structural improvement. But a lot of persons are advocating that, in this modern time it needs to be replaced completely, because it's a bit narrow. So 2 big vehicles cannot go through at the same time. And it's one of those main entrances into Maypen. So this is the Maypen Bridge. We're coming off Trenton Road, heading into Maypen Town Centre. The bridge is a bit rugged, so that's why the shaking of the camera. And as you see, there's also a train track, so the train does run on the bridge as well. So welcome to Maypen Town Centre. So again, this was a drive from Mineral Lights via Trenton Road into Maypen. And again, guys, just remember to leave your comment. Let me know what you think about the area. Remember to subscribe if you're new. Turn on your notification bell. And thanks for watching another video.